Okay, folks, I want you to watch a demonstration of nanotech. This is little micro robots, yeah, performing tasks. This one is it moving the fat and getting into the blood, yeah. As you can see, it's moving it along there, see, and helping. This one's going to put the circuit and create the light. You see how clever it is? Yeah. Now, there's conspiracy theories out there that this is in the V and building chips in people's bodies. Now, what you'll see is it froze that up there. Yeah? It's that intelligent that it knew it couldn't get up. So what it does, and you'll see it here, it chucks it up. It froze it up. Watch, look. Froze one over. Yeah? So the intelligence is obviously coming from us via some Wi-Fi connection or something like that. But I just wanted you to see nanotech and how advanced it really is, folks. That's all. Here it is. Just to give you a little idea of, what's going on in the technology world, if you like, and where we're at. So, nicotine is the killer. Yeah, it will kill all this. The Australian scientists have already shown that in videos now. So, if you want to get rid of this, I wouldn't say start smoking. I'd just say get some nicotine in you. And happy days. Remove the damage, yeah? If it's the case that you feel that, you might have some of this in you. Just saying, yeah? Just want you to watch what's going on with the way this nanotech works.
I am a daddy. I have 3 sons.
3 sons?
Yes, but I don't talk about it much. It's a bit embarrassing. My eldest boy ran off to sea to make his...
Very, very intelligent, folks. Let me know in the comments what you think.
One of the reasons we started talking about boron really was because I had somebody reach out to me and send me a video. It was a whistleblower that had been working on nanotechnology for black op projects that no one even knew about. And this video, when I played it, he said, my team has been working on this nanotechnology, this transhumanism agenda. We've been working on this micro robots that are going to be introduced into the body. And he said, the thing that we're finding that will neutralize a lot of these things is borax. And then all of a sudden the video disappeared. I couldn't find it. I still to this day don't know how that happened. And that was it. And I just kind of, put that on the back burner until COVID happened and I was part of the COVID task force. And then we started really finding out what was in all these bioweapons and these synthetic bioweapons that were happening.